Maria, and we are so happy to be able to welcome you onto our app. You're joining a team of thousands of professionals across the country who have chosen to become their own boss and work flexibly wherever they want on their own schedule. We want to make sure that you're maximizing your time and earnings with us, so I'm going to go over 2 things in the next 60 seconds. Always confirm your gig 12 to 24 hours before your shift time starts. You will be prompted to do so in the app. Our partners need to know that you can be reliable to show up to work, so if you don't confirm, we will need to remove you from the gig to fill the spot with somebody else. No-shows are the single worst outcome for our partners. They value reliability, and no-shows leave our partners short-staffed without warning or any ability to prepare. Because we want you to have as many gig opportunities available to you as possible, no-shows will affect your future gig visibility and automatically remove you from any future gigs that you already have booked. If you ever need extra help, refer to our FAQ or reach out to our support team. They would be happy to help you. We're so excited to have you on board, and welcome to the Instawork family.